That really pained me because before I've never watched this program, but this year because of my son, I started watching it. Unfortunately, on the day of that incident, I was hosting people to a dinner, so I didn't watch what happened, what transpired on that Saturday. I had a dinner, something. So, but the following day, when I saw the eviction period and when I read a lot of things that were happening on Facebook, I felt very, 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 very bad because I saw in Erica a very smart girl who was so protective of my son. She showed my son genuine friendship, genuine love, genuine protection, and I think at a point she was ready to sacrifice her own existence in that big brother, just so that my son should feel very comfortable. Because in certain situations, she picked quarrels. She picked quarrels with housemates who she felt were not nice to my son, or trying to be rude or insulting to him. So really, 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 she really, 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 really stood behind him, and appreciated that so much. Because as a father, you will be happy for somebody who will protect your child. Because I know him; he's carefree. He doesn't keep any malice, or he doesn't take anything with anybody in his mind. So to him, everybody is a friend, no matter who you are. He looks at everybody, at his face value. He doesn't think anybody has anything against him. But Erica, being cleverer and smarter, was able to see behind the scenes the same people he was smiling with, he was always laughing with, he was always joking with, he was always doing things with, were not reciprocating the feelings that he had for them. And she knew, she saw it, and she took it upon herself to defend him. She really, really, really defended him. She fought people there, and in the process of defending him, she went into that problem that she had. And at a point, because of my son, a lot of the housemates now started hating Erica. Started despising her. What was so? To me, she's a wonderful person. She's nice. Really, it's not my business about what is happening between her and my son, because I don't know. I cannot force anybody on my son. It's his own decision. But to me, as a human being, she is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful person. She has a very, very good heart. And really, if my son should win this, I will make sure that he gives her half of his winning. He gives her half of the winning, and then the rest have to charity. To charity. So really, she has really, really sacrificed her own position to support him. So, and this is the time everybody should support her. Everybody should know what she's going through. My son, I think my son is in touch with her. They are communicating. So we are in touch with her to give her that moral support, which everybody at this point, everybody should give her that moral support. Everybody should support her for what she's going through. But like my son said, hopefully she will get through this this is just a temporary setback, and I think she'll get through stronger and stronger. But I really, really, really thank her for looking after my son and really holding his back there for him, you know. So that's all I can say. Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you go. I know that you have visitors waiting for you.